in positions, everyone. Camera 1 into effect. 2-second pre-roll. Camera 1, track left. Oh, good luck. Watch your focus, fellas. We're on the air.
Kids wanna know. Kids wanna know. Kids wanna know.
One of the reasons why you're challenging, or tell me the reason why you're challenging.
Grit.
It's these unbelievably long legs that I have. Most people don't realize I'm 6'7". I weigh 265. See, they didn't realize that. When they see me on TV, they see me as a little TV set and stuff. See, Rhiannon's actually 6'4". Think they bought that? Where do you put the key in to start this thing up, though? Is it back? Whoa, don't go back there. I am a lineman for the county. I'll stop singing.
Coming up next, me, my horse Dusty, and Chris Eddy. Don't miss it. Oh, whoops. What do I say?
Hey, no.
What do I say?
That was fine, but it was like, don't miss it. I'm so excited. You should be too.
Coming up next, me, Chris Eddy, my horse Dusty. Don't want to miss it. What was I supposed to say? Kids want to know. What was I supposed to say? Kids want to know.
Coming up next, my friend Rhiannon, my friend, it's my friend. My friend Horsey. Oh, I love Horsey. Horsey, my friend, especially since you didn't drop me on my head today. You kicked me around the stables. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, no, that's not what I want to say. See, you're messing me up now. Coming up next, my friend Rhiannon. The door. Okay.
And you don't want to miss it.
Because it's going to be so exciting.
And you don't want to miss it.
Because if you do, we're going to have to sick Dusty after you. Hey, Wilbur. That's not bothering you. Having this camera in your face isn't bothering you or anything, is it?
No.
Als het die is goed. Gewoon een afdekking. Dan gaat hij bij wie niet zo niet. Hier is het nou.